Welcome, here I've got Motorola Edge 20 and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's move to the right corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to pick the photos category, and here at the last position we can see the watermark option, so let's tap on it. Here we are, this is how to get access to it. Now we can add the timestamp watermark by using the button from the right. We can turn it on and off as we need, and also the device watermark, the same thing happens with this button from the right with it, and with the device we have connected the signature, so here we can add our own watermark. For example, let me write here hard reset and save, but remember that the signature is connected with the device, so you can't use this without the Motorola's watermark. Now let me keep turning on all of these watermarks. As you can see, we have short preview, but I want to show you how they look like on the real picture. So let's move back to the camera and take a photo. To see it, we have to tap to this right button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our picture with watermarks at the bottom. Let's get closer to them. From the left we have shot on Motorola Edge 20, device watermark with hard reset, the custom one, and from the right we have the timestamp. And of course, when we don't need there or need another composition with watermarks, we have to move back to the camera, then to the right corner settings, pick photos and watermark, and use this as we need or just turn them off. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.